welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm bringing to you cupcake recipe. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are super amazing. I love you guys. Thanks so much for your continuous support. God bless you. So let's dive into our cupcake recipe. So the first thing I'll do is to grate the carrot and then put it aside before mixing the dry ingredients, which is what I'll be leaving on the description section, each measurement, so go check it out. Once that is done, I'm going to give it a good turn, a good stir, and then put it aside and get the wet ingredients ready. For the wet ingredients, I'll be using the brown sugar and also a white sugar. Then add my groundnut oil, sunflower groundnut oil to be precise. Then give it a proper whisk with my hand whisking machine. Once my sugars are properly incorporated, I'll then add 2 eggs and then whisk again. Once I'm satisfied with the color that I'm seeing there, I'm going to go in with my vanilla extract, which is a tablespoon. Then I'm going to whisk again. Afterwards, I'll come in with my buttermilk. Actually, this buttermilk, I made it myself. I'll be showing you how I did it, but in a different video. So I'm going to whisk very well, then add my cinnamon, then whisk again. Wow, take a look at that color. I'm falling in love already. It looks like caramel. Anyways, it's time to go in with my dry ingredients. I'll be adding that bit by bit, and I'll give it a stir with my spatula. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Very, very yummy looking already. Now I'm going to go in with my carrot in there and I'll give it a very good stir, ensuring that everything is properly combined. Oh my goodness, take a look at that batter. That means my cupcake is almost ready. Do you know this section kind of get me confused sometimes, because when I'm trying to put in the cupcake paper inside the cupcake pan, I tend to put maybe 1 or 2. I have to pull it and put it back. If you know you fall victim of what I'm talking about, please put it on the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the batter in each cupcake and then set it for the oven for 20 minutes. Gas mark 180 degrees Celsius. Wow, take a look at that cupcake straight from the oven. It looks deliciously made and I know it will taste amazing. What do you guys think? I need you to say something write on the comment section what you think about this cupcake. If you stayed up to this point, thank you so much, but don't forget to subscribe and like the video. At this point, I'll say bye-bye and I'll see you in my next one.